Hey, Keith, Cage's Garage. I'm just going to show you a quick little thing on the HHR. This is my panel, HHR. And there's these clips. I did it on the other side already. That was missing. Also, you'll notice usually the cars have only one of these pockets, and the other side is smooth. So I have two pockets, because I took it off another car. Anyway, there's clips that hold this in right here and here. And all right, let's see if I can get a tool. I'll put the tool in here. There we go. One. There we go. It comes out. Okay. Oh, that one already. The whole thing came out. Okay. So this is what you have as stock OEM is a little piece that goes into there, into the metal, and then you have a little pin right here. And over the years, I mean, you can get these. They're like $8 each for this piece and this piece. So you're at like $16 to get all this. Or I'm going to show you another thing you can do. So let me let's see if I can get this out in one piece. The other one broke. All right, let's see if that came out in one piece. Nope, it broke. This is a 2008. These pieces are all fragile and breaking. So you can see you would have this, and then this is on the back panel, and then it pushes into there. Right? Okay. That's fine. They want to do that? That's fine. What I bought to replace that bought a whole bag of these things. Door panel, whatever. Right? I'll put a link. And all you do is just take these and you slide them on like this and like this. And if you look at how this goes in, there's hooks right here. These hooks go up on this metal. So this goes up like this. You need two hands to do it. Up like this, and then push those in. You just have to make sure you get these. Here we go. These into there. And you just push it on. And there you go. Then when you want to take it off, do the same thing. You just pry that. And if this breaks, you have a whole bag left. But they're brand new. They should last another 10 years. That's it. Like I said, I'll come back and I'll show you that this is back on. But you need two hands. You got to wiggle this all the way up here. Get these pins right in the right spot, the clips in the right spot. You need two hands and some flashlights and stuff like that. I'll show you in a minute. Now I'm gonna try to record this. Let's see. I'll put this up, get it in the, like I said, in those metal clips there. Get this. Oh, that looks like that one went. No way. Okay, it's in. That was easier than I thought. The other side gave me more trouble. There you go. That's it. All right. Quick, easy tip. Save you money. Buy these clips. I'll have the link below. And you want to go to dealer or search around and get those other things. Those way too expensive for what they are. Just little clips. I don't know why they did a two-piece clip. It doesn't make sense. Okay, well, there you go. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit a like. If this helped you out in any way, please share it with others. Let them know. All the HHRs this is gonna happen to them. These things. The other one I had, it just fell off. The kids kicked it and it broke and fell right off. So anyway, these little clips help me and put that thing back together. Alrighty, thanks a lot. I will see you in the next video. Bye.